Yeah, Derek with Eliminex. We're in Monroe, New Jersey. Oh, 2 for 1. 2 for 1. I was worried I wasn't going to be able to catch these critters yesterday. Both these traps were set off, and I was afraid it was going to be chipmunks. But we got them. Got the 2 of them. That's awesome. There we go. He's sleeping. All right, buddy. We're gonna go for a ride. They're just taking off, going up this tree. Even though they pruned the branches back, they can still jump on the roof. All right, we'll let you go. We'll let you go. We're gonna go for a ride. We're gonna go for a ride. Take them to the private property reserve. We're catching rats too. There's a rat in there. That one's set off. Let's see what we got back here. Got some stations. Okay, this one we didn't catch anything. The squirrels are going on the roof and then going inside the attic. You see that gap there. But we're not catching them on the back end. No activity on the back end. And here's another spot where they're getting in. And then you can see the stains right here on the soffit where they're running around. There's some stains up there too. So they've been busy at this house for the past couple years. So this is my 4th day on the job. This is my first time I've captured squirrels. Thank goodness. I was getting a little worried. Usually I expect to catch them within 1 day. Alright, we're going to take these and release them. They'll be nice and happy. I usually release them before sundown so they can find another tree.